Good morning, everybody. So, here we are going to just give an outline about the mission control. What is this mission control? What is the real aim of this? What are all the activities you can do here? Okay, so in mission control, the end result, what we are getting or producing here is energy. Energy is the one of the asset that we can stake in energy staking pool, the biggest staking pool in planet IX, and we will reward as IXT or the pixel. So producing energy is the important thing or the purpose of the mission control. So how can we produce? So community can come here without investing the money. They can do in this mission control. That's the speciality of mission control. Free to play, play to earn. So people can collect the waste just with the pixel. Whatever the plots they have, they can just put on this tile and they can start producing waste. Waste is the basic element that you have to collect here, or you have to produce here, because this waste can convert into different form, and at last you will get the energy. Okay, so the process I will tell you how to do that. So it's very simple, very user friendly, this mission control. A company made the design as per we can any person can learn themselves. Okay, so here you can see in the mission control three options. Left side, build option, managers, task manager, and the inventory. Inventory, you people already know that whatever the assets you have, your profile, actually it's your profile, all the assets you can see in inventory, whatever the drones, the cargo drops, or your properties, your territories, everything you can see in your inventory. So I am not going to explain about it. Okay, inventory, there is an option. And the build option, through the build option you can build the assets or stake the assets in these tiles. You can see now 6 tiles. In future it will be 36 tiles. So whatever the drones you have, you can stake your drones in these 6 tiles. And if you have a facility, that also you can place in the 6 tile. So in one tile you can place only one asset. Okay, so it means each tile you have to place either pixel, or you can place any of the territories, area, zone, sector, anything you can place. So you know that how much they are producing the energy if you are staking the territories. If you want to take this territory, you should have a facility. Otherwise, you don't need to take a territory. You can stake in the IX Foundation. Okay. So here, if you don't have facility, you have to stake only the pixel, any category, because each producing the same waste. So you can place legendary. I placed, you can see in this tiles, uncommon, then outlier and legendary. Both, every drone is producing the same waste. 13 in the Piercer drone, and Genesis, it's producing 14 per day. Okay, so every 2 days you can claim it. You can claim it when you want the total waste. You can claim it. So you can see the orange color. So it's running. It will be full when the waste collecting it's done. Then if you have facility, you can see 3 facility and 3 drones. I put 3 facility with zone, rare zone plus 1 rare facility, then one area and one uncommon area and one uncommon facility, then again one uncommon area and one uncommon facility. So you can see the total energy every day, daily energy producing output is 19 energy I am producing in this account. Okay, so I sold the first energy when I produced. I produced 3 energy through the rare zone. I sold it for $50 each. Now it's almost 80 people are holding. At that time only 11 people are holding the energy. Now it's 80 people, because everybody is producing energy. So the demand, when the surplus amount of energy is there, so the amount will decrease. Anyway, imagine one energy I sold it for $50. So for 3 to 4 energy I sold for that price. Now it's $10. or to $15 the price is running. Okay, so here the ultimate aim is to produce the energy. You can sell the energy also, and you can stake the energy also. So there are many benefits. So company is implementing step by step, gradually they will upgrade the ideas and the system. So now you can see the build option. You can see land, tech and facility. In the land option, you will see all your pixel, your territories, your zones, domain, everything you can see here. Okay, you can, if you have facility, you can choose any of this area. From the area onwards, you can zone or a sector, you can choose that. If you don't have facility, you just choose any of this pixel. First you place your pixel, then only you can place your drone. Okay, if you don't have drones, no problem. You just place your pixel. Each time 3 waste it will produce, maximum 3 only. After the claiming of these 3, only the further it will produce the waste. Okay, so if you have drone, no problem, you don't need to worry about it. You can place your pixel first. So build option you need to go, then choose the build option, not the overview. Then choose the land. If you choose the land, for example outlier I am choosing. So now you cannot see that in any of this this tile it will show build. So you just click the tile, so the outlier pixel will be in that tile. Then you need to just confirm it and transact it, okay, in the MetaMask. So the pixel already came, the color will change from black to white, like this. It will be white color. This is outlier pixel. Then next option, you have to go back, go to the tech. There you choose the drone. You choose the drone. Again the same thing. See, you will see the border, the color change. You will see that it's black fully. It will be black if you are new to this. Now already I placed. I cannot show that. Then you choose which tile you choose first, the pixel. Above that you need to place. Again you click on the tile. It will place. Your drone will be placed and it starts, collecting the waste. Every day it will collect 30 if it is a PSL drone. This way you can place on all the tiles, stake all the tiles. Then if you have a facility, you have to come to the facility. You will see the facility option here. But before placing the facility, you have to choose. You have to decide. You are going to stake zone or domain or sector or territory. If you don't have any of this, you can choose the pixel. If you have domain, it will produce more. You know the chart already. If it is a legendary, it produces 18. If it is rare, it producing 12. So you can change. You can choose. If you have facility, go for the higher territory. Okay, like zone or domain or sector, whatever you have. But you need to unstake in the IX Foundation. That is very important. Then only you can place here. Otherwise, the transaction will have an error. So now I don't have any facility here because already 3 I staked here. I'm building now the facility. I'm collecting the assets. Now, if you are a new, you don't have any assets. How can you free to play and play to earn? How can you make the energy without any without just a pixel? Okay, so there is an option. You can place your 6 pixel on this tiles and it will produce energy every 3. Each tile will produce every 3 waste. You have to claim it. Then once you have 25 waste, there is a terminal option is there. In this terminal, you can see all the in-game cooperation. Okay, you just click the terminal, you can see the screen like this. So see the net temperature, mission control, gravity grade. There is a pixel sales. If you want to buy the pixel, you can go to this in-game cooperation, this company. Then Lucky Cat, here you can see the raffle that you already know. The raffle, if you want to participate, if any active raffle is there, you can. If you have ticket, golden ticket or any ticket, if you have, you can go here and you can participate. Okay. Then if you don't have if you don't have the ticket, you can get the ticket from the airdrop or you can buy from the OpenSea. Then global waste system. Here you can sell your waste, whatever the waste you are collecting, you can convert into the Astro credit, because you need Astro credit to create the facility. So the purpose is to create facility the waste you are using. So collecting waste is important, and after you collect the waste, you can simply convert without any just with the transaction fee. You don't need to spend any money. With the transaction fee, you can convert your energy, your waste, into different assets: biomods, blueprint, and Astro credit, because these three things you need to create a facility. So you can see that the waste, 25 waste is the minimum and 100 is the maximum. You can just click the plus button and you can convert into Astro credits. 100 Astro credits you will get, 100 waste if you convert, you will get 95 Astro credits. Then there is another company that is in the terminal. You can see all this in-game cooperation. You can see in the Eternal Lab, there is another in-game cooperation. Here you can refine your waste. So if you have 100 waste, you can, or 25 waste, you can go to this company, this option, and you can click the plus button. Maximum 4, 25 into 4, it's 100. Then you can convert your refine your waste into all this kind of assets. So any assets you will get as per this probability. So we cannot predict that which asset you will get. Okay, so minimum is 25 and maximum is 100 each time. 6 hours it will take. If you want to accelerate, if you give the Astro credit, it will accelerate. If you don't want, wait for 6 hours. You can claim it after 6 hours. You will see in the task manager, and you can convert, refine your waste and any of the biomods or blueprint. Maybe you will not get nothing. Okay, so mostly I got almost 70 biomods, 2 blueprint, and 3 legendary biomod also I got it. So you know the cost of that in the OpenSea. So it's really it's worth. Why we are doing this? We need to refine and build all this, attain all these assets. Then after that, if you have enough assets, then you can go to the terminal new land. You can go to the new land. Here we are going to produce create the facility. So if you want to create a facility, you need all these things. You can see in the left side, blueprint 1, Astro credit 1000, outlier biomod 20, common 15, uncommon biomod it's 10, rare biomod 5, and legendary 2. If you have all these assets, you can get these 5 facility as per the probability. So if you want higher category facility, you need to add more biomods. So the percentage you can see here, the probability will change when you add more. This is the probability for this calculation. If you want to add more, if you have more biomods, see, you can see the difference. If I add, when I add each time, the percentage is changing each time. Okay, so you can decide which one you like, and you can try for that option. It's all probability only. There is no guarantee what you will get, but any of the facility you will receive. Last time I got the uncommon facility I received. So these are all the main things you will do in this mission control. So the purpose is to create the energy. So once you create the energy, you are going to get the residual income. You are going to get the staking pool. You are going to get the income. So you learn by yourself. You can go through all this thing. Then you can learn step by step. Then each time when you claim the waste, you try to refine it and try to get the assets, biomods. Then at last only you will come to the new land. Okay, the Astro credits you need to convert in the global waste system. Refine you will do in the Eternal Lab, and new land is the last one after all the assets if you get from the OpenSea or from the refined waste. Okay, then after that you will see the energy. You will see in your mission control. You can see here all this energy you are producing every day, how much you are producing. Okay, and task manager, you will see all the activities. If you go to this task manager, all the running activities, you can see how many drones is running, how many facilities running, refining, how much you are doing, how much already you energy collected, everything you will get it. Okay, thank you all. This